I think the really awesome thing about Luke is that he's engaged throughout the process. We've been here for over 2 weeks now, and I really appreciate how Luke has taken it, as a part of his role to be a guide and a leader of the group, and to be completely participatory, or participating in the courses. It's not just in the classroom, it's our everyday lives. We've really worked together as a community, and I think as we talk about particularly Luke's teaching style, it's been extremely engaging. Luke always starts the class on time, and that's much appreciated. He's very considerate of our time, and you can tell in the material that he's been prepared. He's gone over the material. He is knowledgeable about the subject that he's talking about, and it really comes through the excitement. And it's inspiring to see how he's actually taking some of the permaculture lessons that we're learning here, but he's actually going to apply them in a part of his own project, and how he's been able to change his life through the permaculture way. It's exciting to learn from someone who's excited about the subject matter, and the energy and the passion really comes through in that. To answer about how permaculture, the permaculture way has shifted my life, it's interesting that I've actually, all my life, have actually been engulfed in the permaculture world, but I didn't know it, and this course has really helped me to understand the interconnectedness of everything: economies, people, the land, and I'm really inspired to go in and actually use it as a part of some of the projects that I'll be taking part in. In terms of the people I would recommend, I think every human on the planet needs to understand about permaculture and how we can have a lower impact on the earth. I honestly believe that the world as we know it is coming to an end very soon, and it's a product of what we've brought to the planet. But I'm so hopeful, and I believe in the human population. We're resilient, we're innovative, we're smart. There's some of us who really understand about how important community is, and I think that that's a really important lesson for everybody. So I'd recommend this course to everyone. There's a lot of people that I work with in the earthship world, and it's really exciting to see that something that I've been passionate about is a part of the whole cycle. So, but in giving props to Luke again, I love Luke. He's really showed me how it can be to be engaged in life and to share and care about people and community, and I'm really thankful.